Greetings, smartphone. Welcome to lesson 4 in basic of Excel. Right, in part 3, we're actually looking at how we can actually add data labels and so forth. So in part 4, right here, we're going to calculate the number in the table, add currency to all the figures. We're going to insert 3 decimal places to the figure using the flash fill format in the sheet. Numbers and word formatting. Insert photo in the sheet. So this very unique, and how we're going to actually do this one right here. So very important for this one that you have to pay close attention to it right here. All right. The first thing we want to do, right, is to end. All right, let's go back again and look at that particular one, right? You notice right here is the enter number in the sheet. All right, so we're going to get a some number in the sheet. Definitely, you want to put some number in the sheet, just like that. So we're going to add some number in the sheet. Some random number in the sheet like that. These are numbers that you're going to be working at with none of that. So now I have the number right here in the sheet. Definitely number in the sheet. Right? You notice the next thing I say? Add currency to all figure. Right? So right here we show that we have to calculate the numbers. Right? It's enter number in spreadsheet, so calculate the numbers. Right? So we're going to do that calculation right away. So we're going to put the cursor right here. And what you want it to do, you want to set equal right here. You're going to say SUM. You're going to put the bracket just like that. And right here is in E. So it's a E3. You're going to say E3. E3. You're going to put the colon. Colon stands for range. And then right here is F. You're going to say F3. And then you're going to put the bracket right there. So I'm going to put the bracket. Now we're going to press enter. Alright, notice, there you go. In order for you to get the rest of them calculate, you can put the cursor right here. Notice it become a plus. If you're using a mouse, hold on the left side of the mouse. If you're using a laptop, it does do that. You notice? Actually, calculate all of that so far. Right here. Notice it said, add currency to all the figures. So what I want to do, add currency. So in order for me to do that, from right here, I'm going to block everything just like that. Notice if I block everything, what I wanted to do, click on insert right here. So now click up here. Alright, if you notice, we have home right here. Right here. Says you click on home. This is where you have definitely currency. You click right here. Alright, but before you go there, notice it's a number right over here. You're gonna click up here. And this itself is currency. You're gonna click. You notice? There you go. And this is it. Alright, you notice this again. Add 3 decimal places. So you're gonna add that 3 decimal place to it. So you're gonna come right here, you notice? This is 1, come up right here. And this is 3 decimal place that definitely you wanted to write to the sheet. So very, very important right here. 3 decimal place to the sheet. The next thing that you want to look at is using a flash fill in the sheet. Yes, very important right there. If you notice, these are names that you're going to use. When I say name right here and last name, notice first name and last name right here. But what I want all of the last name over here. But I'm going to get it. You notice in this line, I'm going to type Brown. Notice, and then I'm going to click at the bottom line and then we'll click back on it again. So what I wanted to do, definitely, we're going to use on the flash fill to do that. Right? So if you notice, you come right up here, notice it's a home right here. You click right here, say click on insert. This is what exactly what, but what you want to focus on the data right here. Notice when you click on the data, you're going to come right here. So this itself is a flash fill. Notice I put the press on the show flash fill. If I click it, if you notice, all of the last name appear right here that I don't have to type. Everything is very important. So that's one way you can actually use the flash fill right in Excel. Alright, next thing again now, numbers and word formatting. Alright, so we're going to do that now. Alright, so definitely you have one number right here. If I put the cursor right at the corner right here. Alright, over on this side, I'm going to drag down. If you notice, when I drag down a B1, you see, in order for me to change the format, you notice, look up pointer right here, I'm going to click. Alright, you notice this is a field series, and from like that, you notice, it actually change. Alright, just like that. Alright, I can actually do it the next way. I can actually put 1 right there, come over here, and I put 2, and I click back into 1. I'm going to block it, just like that. I'm going to put the cursor right here, and I'm going to drag it down just like that. If you notice, the format actually change right there. So I'm going to try some merge. So I'm going to say January, Jan, R-Y. Now we have January right there. I'm going to put the cursor right here, like the end. I format to format it, I come all the way here. You notice it show from January to March, June and month of April. What if we just put JAN? Alright, this will really work. Alright, you're going to put the cursor right here or on the side of the mouse I touch button. You're going to drag it down, just like that. If you notice, and most of the put the chart is still actually do the same thing right here in the sheet. Alright, next we wanted to insert a photo in the sheet. Can we really insert a photo in spreadsheet? Alright, let's click on insert. And if you notice, you click on insert right here. Definitely, what you will see illustration right here. And I click on illustration right here, it's a picture right here. So when I click on pictures from these devices here. So when I click on these devices, now you can actually come right over here, click to the desktop. Alright, so this is the one picture. You're going to click on it and click on insert. Alright, if you notice right here, you can actually move it up, pitch up on the sheet. You can actually come right here and actually size it down just like that. So it's not on the Microsoft Word, you can actually do that. You can do that right here in Excel. And notice you can actually put it, size it up to you want it and all of that. So what you want to do, want to show we can insert photo in the background here, right? So if you notice, when I click right here on layout, notice the background, and I click on the background, definitely it take me to this particular section, right? It's a big search, personal, so right here, I'm going to take it directly from the file from my computer. Right, I'm going to click on the same one, I'm going to click on insert. If you notice right there, everything is in the background so far. So definitely, so this is where you can get it in the background. So what if you want to remove from the background? You come right here, so delete the background, just like that, and go right back exactly where it is. So hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.